Shop Talk. We're looking at a modified 562 XP chainsaw. This one features a 28-inch sprocket nose bar. Professional bar. It's got a sprocket end. You can pop the rivet out, replace the tip. Skip tooth chain. Skip is the spacing between the teeth. That's a chisel bit tooth, square. Very popular combination. And we'll take a look at some of the features the saw has. Master controls on the left here. We have kill, run, high idle, and high idle choke. Operator presence lever. It won't throttle up unless your hand is in place. Real nice safety feature. Foot pad for starting this high compression motor. Put your foot on the pad, get a good grip on that handlebar, push the decompression valve in, and you can start this saw. Working chain brake. Side load on the oil reservoir as well as the gas reservoir. Very heavy duty vibration isolation motor mounts. Has that nice wrap handlebar, 3/4 wrap. Quartered muffler, twin exhaust, 2 falling spikes, the larger ones. Chain tensioner, loosen the 2 bar nuts up. Right here's your tensioner. These are captioned nuts, meaning when you loosen them they won't fall off. Very nice feature. And this saw will be disabled. It is a modified saw and you'll receive it non-running. If you're looking for a saw with part saw modified 562, here's a nice one.